wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best poultry drinkers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, the carrying handle on the Harris Farms Cup of Water 4-gallon has a hanger attached to it, making it easy to move around your housing without a lot of extra work. Its large hinged lid makes for fast, hassle-free refills as well. It's built from food-grade plastics with extra cup ports. However, it's not compatible with the company's heater. At number 5, constructed from high-quality brushed aluminum, the Harris Farms aluminum 2-gallon is significantly rust-resistant, keeping the water supply for your birds as fresh and clean as possible over the life of the unit. The stopper at the top must be airtight to work well. It's made in the USA and waters up to 32 beaks, but it is difficult to fill. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Harris Farms Double Wall is made from 2 layers of heavy-duty galvanized steel, so it can withstand anything from inclement weather to a spontaneous bird brawl around the watering hole. It utilizes a simple vacuum process to keep a constant flow of water. It features a no-float leveling mechanism and easy air leak detection. However, it is cold to touch in winter. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for poultry drinkers, or click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. If your intention is to water upwards of 100 chickens from a container that will keep their meat and eggs free of contaminants, the BPA-free plastic construction of the Harris Farms EasyFill 6.25-gallon ought to appeal to you. It includes a top-fill bucket and is effective indoors and out, but it is awkward and heavy when full. At number 2, the Harris Farms plastic 3.5-gallon holds enough water to accommodate up to 56 chickens, and its watering base is compatible with the company's proprietary heating system, providing slightly warmer, never frozen water to your free-range birds in even the coldest settings. It includes a twist lock system, long-life plastic materials, and a metal carrying handle. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the slim design of the Royal Rooster Twin NDT allows it to be easily installed in smaller housing areas. It hooks quickly onto any chicken wire metal mesh fencing or to a wall with the included brackets. 2 PEC-activated drinking nozzles keep your chicks from fighting. It offers UV-stable containment and a 1-gallon capacity. It's made in Australia. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for poultry drinkers, or click beneath this video.